everybody, welcome to another video of Mental Mint. Today we're continuing through our Wordly Wise grade 7 3000 list. Today we're going through lesson 11, so let's get straight into it. We're getting into quite a big lesson. So yeah, let's start. First word is ballast, heavy material used to make a ship steady or control the rising and falling of a vessel like a balloon. So, for example, the balloon rose when the rope used as a ballast was released. And then buoyant, able to float. So, the life jackets will make you buoyant. And buoyant can mean cheerful and carefree. So, my cat is buoyant because he doesn't need to care about anything. Yeah. And then clamber, to climb awkwardly. Okay, what just happened? Nothing happened. Okay. So when I give my cat something. Wait, let me think for a second. So when I get my cat's head into this collar, he will clamber because he doesn't know what to do. Climb awkwardly. Or he will clamber onto the door. Yeah. Okay, so next is detach, to separate from. So the detached flower fell onto the ground from the tree. Alright. Eerie, causing uneasiness, strange or mysterious. A haunted house is eerie. And then fathom, a length of 6 feet, used to measure the depth of water. So, usually your pools are less than a fathom. They're just 1 feet less than a fathom, which is approximately 170 meters, 1.7, yeah. And then fathom can mean to figure out or to understand. The student finally fathomed how to do the math problem. And then pique, to arouse or excite. So my pique I was piqued by the chance that Kolo Muani missed in the World Cup final. I don't know. Alright, pique, a feeling of resentment caused by being ignored, insulted, etc. So I feel piqued when somebody ignores me or insults me. Yeah. And then probe, to poke or prod. So I probed water. How can you probe? I probed my cat with a finger. Yeah. And then probe can mean to examine closely. So I probed my Lego for any repairs needed. And then probe can mean a long slender instrument used to examine a wound or part of the body. So the doctor used the probe to examine my fractured bone. Then probe can mean a thorough investigation. So the scientists made a probe on the newly found beetle. And then realized, be aware of. I realized how long this lesson could be. That is 3 whole pages. Yeah. Okay, I realized to bring into being, to make happen. I realized my dream by working hard. You can realize your dream by working hard also. Alright, and then next we have got rupture, to split or break. So the piece of glass on the ground ruptured my skin. Rupture can mean a breaking or tearing apart by force. The rupture of the train rail caused a big disaster. All right. And the rupture can mean the breaking of a friendly relationship. So you can have a rupture with your friend. Yeah. And then we're on to our third page. Sphere, an object with all points on its surface equally distant from its center, ball or globe. So Earth is a sphere, but it's not actually a sphere because it's kind of oval-like. Sphere. A basketball is a sphere. A soccer ball is a sphere. It has to be 3D, remember? So this is a circle. It's not, but that's the best circle I can draw. But like when you make a circle 3D, it's called a sphere. Yeah. A sphere can be an area of power, influence, or activity. So my sphere can be on YouTube and on TikTok. Yeah, and we're on to our last four. First is submerged, to go underwater. The submarine submerged. So the submarine, like this, went underwater. Yeah. And submerge can mean to put underwater or cover with water. I submerged the dish to clean it. The dish. Yeah. And then tedious, seeming to go on for a long time. Boring. So the tedious lecture made all four of us almost ready to sleep. Almost sleeping. Almost asleep. Yeah. And then this is our penultimate word called ultimate. Ultimate is final. So our ultimate goal, my ultimate goal is for myself to get to like 10 million subscribers or followers. I don't know, it's hard. Okay. And then ultimate can mean the greatest possible, maximum. So the ultimate number of players you can have on a hockey field is six players per team. And then ultimate can mean something that is the greatest, the maximum. So actually the ultimate is like the ultimate. So basically this is the noun form of number 2. You understand? Alright. Last word is unscathed. Completely unharmed. Because of the very sturdy protection, the people in the earthquake were unscathed. Alright, and that will be all for today. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.